What if the word conscious was hiding its own truth? What if it was trying to tell you something? Reverse it. Conscious, reversed. Soy, ik, nak. Soy equals self, one's own. Ik literally means I in Old English. Nak equals to know, knowledge. So the transmission is the self I know. Think about that. Consciousness is you recognizing yourself, your own knowing. You are not becoming conscious. You are consciousness, the self, I that knows. The Word knew this all along. Language is alive. Want more? Discover more at coherescence.com. Love you guys.